Hello guys, this is Tutorial Stream, and in this video you will learn how you can share a photo from your library on ente.com, for example with your friends and contacts. So let us begin. So guys, in the desktop or web application of ente.com, make sure that you're logged in, navigate to an album and select the given photo with your left mouse. Next, what you want to do is click into these three dots in the top right, and for example guys, you can use a shareable link to share it with your friends and contacts by clicking into this button, and then you will see the shareable link creation here. Click into this button to copy it to your clipboard, and that is going to allow you to share it with your friends and contacts via direct messaging services, for instance emails, using that shareable link. There's also the option to share the entire album, so click into the album, select this share album button here, and then you may add, for example, someone as a viewer, as a collaborator or admin, or again use that invitation link here to, there you have it, to share the album through that link. You can also deactivate it, for example, the given link by clicking into this button, use it as an HTML embedded code, for example, enable the password locking here, and then sharing expiration, for example, for the link, disable comments, and so on and so forth guys. And that's how it works. Thanks for watching, hope you enjoyed it, and until next time.